Today I'm going to show you 6 holiday cards I made for a nonprofit using some artwork that my students in my life skills class made. First, I start off by scoring the card bases, and then I used my inspiration from my students' artwork. Here I thought these little squiggly lines looked like trees, so I had some, I don't even know what these are, like little decorated wire, and I hot glued them on, trimmed them off, and then added some bunting on there that I had from a scrapbook package and some sequins. This card was inspired by the colored stencil rubbing on the back, and I had 2 little snowy friends, a fox and a snowman. I thought I'd add them on there with some paper embellishment and a cute sentiment. Next up, the fingerprints left on this paint picture was perfect for a thank you, and of course added a few sequins to spice it up. He is so jolly. This was actually a gift tag that I cut off, and then I used the green painted background from my students' artwork. Then this paint splatter looked like a monkey or a giraffe or something, so I had to use it. I put some glitter flake on it to make it a little bit more dimensional. The last one here is a cellophane treat bag. I made it into a snowy background with a Christmas tree and added some glitter. I hope these inspired you to use your children's artwork or your students' artwork if you're a teacher to make something fun this holiday season. See you in the next one. Bye!